Ayo, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? It's your Jan Lona Buchali on the screens. And yeah, man, Slapo school, Namslanje, man, Slapo school. Ngathi namhlanje there's some sort of a rap battle lapha ngaphakathi anikosho. And hey, kuthiwa xa ndisiva ngaphakathi 3K is up for grab. 3K. Nanaba number 1 kanye number 5 kanye number bani. But lo weleni uzosivela ngaphakathi xa sesi interview some few individuals zilapha ngaphakathi. But yeah, man, please stay tuned. Nihlale, nibukele. It's another day, another comfort zone. Away, boss. Away, hot money. So to start it off, can you guys please tell us, introduce yourself to the audience and tell us what role do you have with this whole event? I don't know which side must I start.
I'm gonna start.
Yeah, I can just start by announcing myself. Hey, I'm EY Visuals or Luel Neber. That's my real name.
So I'm Davino Bradley Meyer, aka Nego. Yeah.
Okay, AKA. So can you please explain to us what inspired you to do this event, this whole event here?
Okay, so formally and foremost, so like me, so I make music, you know, yes. And so we stay in a small village, you know, and here's a lot of talent.
Yes.
And so me and my partner decided, like, so we want to establish a stable platform, yes, for the upcoming artists of the dwellings, strictly. You see, so they can get the exposure that they deserve. You see. And so yeah, so this thing that we are doing right now,
yes, sir.
It's basically like so we want them to feel like they are artists.
You're uplifting the hood.
Yes, we are uplifting them. So yeah, that's the whole
purpose of the whole event. Okay, so do you want to add something on top of his words?
Yeah. If I can just add something, is the whole entire reason that we did this, like you said, yes, it was to uplift us here because we don't get a lot of exposure here. There's a lot of talent, but that's undiscovered talent. So we just want to put the talent on the stage so they can get more exposure and so people can see what they can actually do. Because the Dwellings is not just a place of where people are that don't want to do anything. There's a lot of people that want to do something, but they just don't have the resources to do it. Yes. So we are trying with this event to provide them with the resources that they need.
Okay. And I also hear that there's 3K for upper grabs. So how did that come about, that 3K? Is it really true or is that something just G?
I will answer that question. The people, they maybe they must understand that, but it's not 3K, but it's 3K in cash and prizes. So there's a K up for grabs.
Okay.
There's free studio time up for grabs.
Okay.
That's worth over a K.
Okay.
There's free photography studio session with me. I'm a photographer. That are worth over 1,000. So the first place winner is actually getting over 3,000 in prizes. Okay. And so he's getting a K in cash.
Okay.
And he's getting a 5-song EP, original beats, mixing and mastering. Everything is free.
Okay, now I understand. I thought it was like, okay, but now I'm very much clear. So do you want to close it off with some words of encouragement to the audience? Word of the day?
Yeah, so what I can say to you guys is just believe in yourself, keep doing what you're doing. Don't get discouraged or anything. Just stay positive. And yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, whatever you're doing, keep on doing it. Never let nobody put you down. And at the end of the day, the show must go on, bro.
So the name of the event is Dixie Thermal, right?
Dixie Thermal.
Okay, thank you, Pudas. Thank you, Hotmans. Thank you. Awe. My Nika.
Yeah. Woo. I'm back. Back like I never left. Yeah. Woo. Like, they want to murder, counting 1 to 0. Came me for the bottom, now I'm turning to a hero. Ain't gonna talk about amigos. Yo, those my heroes, they wanna stop at 0. They boost my ego. They want to murder, counting 1 to 0. Came me for the bottom, now I'm turning to a hero. Ain't gonna talk about amigos. Yo, those my heroes, they wanna stop at 0. They boost my ego. When it start to what
Are you ready to turn up? Okay. When I say Dixie, you say turn up. Dixie, turn up. Dixie, turn up. Dixie, when I say Dixie, you say turn up. Dixie, turn up. Dixie, turn up. It's another Dixie, you say turn up. Dixie, turn up. Dixie. Let's give it up for Young KC. Today is going to be a contestant on stage. Raak rustig. Ek weet nie. Okay, contestant number 9, Kelly Adams. May pinagtas na bigyan. That's... Let's give it up for Kay Adams, Kiss Mike, and Ayo Browa, Kiss Mike. Ik support de kraas
Just a messy with the polish one thing with the blow and they were walking alone. I got my eyes on the clock. I take the style, they play back on the box. Don't be, I just wanna fuck with the S&T, better be, A-double-E. I just wanna fuck with the S&T.
As die man sa bookie.
But they wanna matter, counting 1 to 0. Came me for the bottom, now I'm turning to a hero. Ain't gonna talk about amigos. Yo, those my heroes, they wanna stop at zero. They push my ego, they wanna murder. Counting 1 to 0. Came in for the bottom, now I'm turning to a hero. Ain't gonna talk about amigos. Yo, those my heroes, they wanna stop at 0. They push my ego. I wanna grab a CV.
Away. Are you alright?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm fine also. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us about your name, when did you start singing and all that stuff?
Okay. My name is Cindy Lee. Stage name Claudia, as you all know. I've been singing since I was 7 years old. I have 11 years of experience of about singing. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I've heard your voice is very pashash. So you can't understand Xhosa or anything? Nothing, you only understand Afrikaans and English. So was this your first time performing or have you been performing? Are there any other events that you performed in, or was this your first time?
No, it wasn't my first time.
How many events did you perform in? How many events did you perform in?
This is the second event that I've performed now, like now.
Right now, right? Hey, like I'm speaking from the courage you have, you did a solo on yourself. What's the genre of that music that you sing? Is it a soloist, a piano, or what?
It's like, for me, it's like solo R&B, you know, because I don't even like a piano or some songs like that. That's why I would rather choose solo, like yeah.
So what keeps you going? What keeps you inspired to pursue your music career?
What did I inspire?
What keeps you going to pursue your music career?
Like I don't actually have a question answer on that one, because you know music is my life, but I think it's gonna be tough. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be my dream, like my future, you know, to go on with it. So yeah.
So since you don't understand Xhosa, can I ask you a question in Xhosa? Then you will tell me if you understand or not.
I'll try.
Okay. Please.
Excuse me?
You don't understand?
No.
Okay, it's fine. So to your followers, can you give them at least a message?
Guys, this is Claudia, as you all know. I just want you to follow his page. It's your page, am I right? It's your page. I just want you guys to follow his page and please come and catch up with us and enjoy your night further. Thank you.
And also, where can they follow you for your music?
You can follow me on TikTok. Claudia Eliza is my name there, in Cindy Lee.
Okay, thanks. Thank you very much. Once again, ngifuna nabuya nomnye. Exenja yam, uGran? Grand amntakwethu. Exenja yam. Cela uqala usintroduce the audience ba ungubani, uhlala phi, please inono wena phekazi yonke lo wethu.
Okay, ndinguTeo wegama background ngukama. My stage name is Theo Simateo. Otherwise, yeah, that's me.
Kalobona baringele nga break dancing yakho. Kalushaya zawe, baringele yonke.
Remember, okay, I'm gonna drop some videos in the car overall, they're quite quality. But for sure, I'm gonna drop some videos because I need some videos, some quality videos. I mean, a videographer. So, I'm still dancing though, and better quality. But I'm missing nicks into 1 month or two. I need some quality, bro. But I'm still dancing.
Tethana nathi wena yabo. Silika siyaphuhlisana bangacommunicate nathi. Sibe ne-agreement e-grand. Uzoyifumana quality mayinike yabo stress. So mntakwethu, in terms of event, mangiqale ngayo. Ufila njani una ngala event as a whole? Uyeke performance. Siqale nge-event.
Yo, bro, event okay, okay, I would say 9, okay, 10. Rate it out of 10. I will make it 9 out of 10 because now I'm only going fans, high fans, but the show is fucking lit. Zabila, nice Zabila. This is 10 of Zabila. Okay, sure.
So ke ngokusivayo sorry nokho ukubethe emlonyeni. So ke ngokusivayo yena uyayibona i-vibe is vibing. So ke ngoku in terms of financika i-performance eziphofimileyo wena xa unothi uyakhetha pha ukhetha abantu because ngoku saku-finals siyokhetha umanqoba ngoba asikho i-finals saku-round 2 right?
Still round 2 showdown. I would say now this nigga Ochilog is got it. Yes, in the show 1. 2, I would say like I could yellow juicy, the guy with the black pants, with the cap. Spin. Always that I would say like I check them yam and I it was a 2 up them mask.
So much display up
So I would say top 3 Top 3
So mntakwethu awushayi nje ustep as fast se-break kawuyeke for abalandeli nje siyivale ikunika iqonga ayi Ay. Bakufollow wephi la? Bakufollow wephi?
Smateo on Facebook, Instagram, Smateo Brown. WhatsApp, obviously you can just DM me for my number.
Yes, sirski. Hey, it's giving the cheekies, it's giving the vibes, it's giving the penetration. Divine nantsika hapa no Young C. Ndakwethu, ngicela khonje fast. Uzintroduce ngokwakho. Sibano senzayo. Ngiwe yakho mntakwethu.
Yo, what's up? This is Young 3C. I'm back like I never left. I'm a rapper, I'm an artist. I do music. I'm a producer. I do all that shit.
Yes, sirski. So mntakwethu ndifuna ubuza kuwe mna. Since uyiperformela lapha yarra umtestix yo. Bese ngathi ndiyilight. So wena mntakwethu as a performer ne apha. Ne-performance sense uzibonile kwaziperforma njani? Ufila njani mayinika? Ucinga uba hey,
Good tough. I don't got any words. So you need judges. But for me, yo, good tough. Tough.
excluding wena ne from as a contestant. Hey, top 3 ononika yona oyithembileyo wena. From ukubukela kwakho yes.
Yeah. Firstly, Puluso, Jaya Beres, Lucis.
Kuma nawo boy 3. So yes sir. Message for abalandeli bakho njengoba share na something.
Yo, I've been quiet for a while now, but I'm back like I never left. Stay tuned, stay updated. This is Young 3C, back like I never left. Yeah.
Fumana happy Young 3C. Yeah.
You can get me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all that. Yeah. Hey, my man. Yo, hey, you ain't gonna talk about niggas who live in the game, peeling on my body, they living a top. You ain't allowed with the game, peeling on my body, they living on insane. You gotta lead this. Talk about the niggas who been living deep this. This nigga low name, ain't gonna talk about feel this. Nigga
Young 3C, back like I never left. Yes, Zeski, my nigga. Gram dogwet.
Man, the grand, I'm fine. Wena?
I'm cool, my nigga. Nanfuna nje unretele event lesikuyo ngoku out of 10. Why do you rate it?
The people ain't that much, but I'ma say the energy is here. The energy is, so I'ma give it a 7 out of 10.
And yeah, my nigga, for the first time namhlanje I saw you performing and I was like, damn, yo, ufike talent engaka, my nigga. You're doing your shit, my nigga. But my nigga ngoma ngicela nje uthiwa nikhulule grand because takubona stage afuneka ngoku. Khanike nje top 3 yakho from be perform up stage your top 3 my nigga.
First up, K Adams, JR Beres 2, and I'ma give it to Lucius and Remy.
Okay, so when can your followers get you on socials, Facebook, Instagram, all that shit?
All of it, even the streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music.
Name of your handles, my nigga.
MLT Preach, Car. Yeah.
So word of the day, afuna banike next message abalandeli nothing.
Never let something that
My nigga, let me release you, yafuneka. Thanks. Yay, it's giving the jazz, it's giving the vibes, it's giving the comfort zone, it's giving the jazz red.
Okay, last but not least, on my top 5. Beautiful.
You can fight.
I got two bags, they scared that she's good thing. They asked me, do you want some water? I told them, let's get it, so I quit. Yeah, I got two bags, they scared that she's good thing. They asked me, do you want some water? I told them, let's get it, so I quit.
Yeah, she's like a
Right, it's like energy, this part of penitentiary. They love your energy. I never miss a bitch like the last opportunity. Me and rappers got nothing in common, just a community.
I'm on the beach,
Really like this like a eulogy. This part of penitentiary.
don't give them a music, and never miss a cheat.
The amount of George indithethile namhlanje hayi nobujani bami ngaphakathi buyakhalaza ngonobuxhosa bami ngaphakathi kuyakhalaza. But yeah man, event is eventing yonke way mnana pha ngaphakathi, even though most of the lyrics ndingaziliva because hey abantu abaninzi aba barapha ngeAfrikaans, but yeah man ngoku silindele ke ngokufumana abantu number 1 ke ngoku. Hey according to the top 5 ikithiweyo pha namanzazi ngibani nothi nansi winner, but stay tuned to bomawuthini uzozibonela nawe bake ngoku ngubani winner le event. Otherwise man, it's giving the Penejazzy, it's giving the comfort zone, it's giving the Penejazzy run. Otherwise thanks man, thanks for many tuna in, and thanks for babukela video up until this far. Ngoku let's go back to event man, let's go back to event. Yeah man.
Like snore.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah, I'm back. Blijf aan de week, zoek op een wees. Kom wees, kom in die lijst. Day to day, yes, Sunday play. Je bent in strijd, dat is geen way. Hoe ik zoek op een wees. Hoe ik zoek op een wees. Jullie goed zombie states. Jullie goed zombie states. Blijf aan de week, zoek op een wees. Kom wees, kom in die lijst. Day to day, yes, Sunday play. Je bent in strijd, dat is geen way. Hoe ik zoek op een wees. Hoe ik zoek op een wees. Jullie goed zombie states. Jullie goed zombie states. Kom te zeggen game. Kijk uit die net van je pijn. Zombie state, dat zijn verdwenen. Dat wordt er genoeg. Zijn er mijn gas, dan maak ik gewoon moe. Dat voor de naast, het zijn ze vandaag. Het zit op je staat. Kop ik aan maat, boete ik weet en ze heel van elkaar. Zit dat van een plek met dat van een naad. Talk about niggas who killing this beat. But they tripping, they feeding me. Spraying that positive energy. I get a lot of enemies. I need to prove, I need to prove, I need to find a remedy. I'm dreaming about going to Germany. Woo, woo, woo. I ain't got to about niggas who free in the game, I'm Johnny Jackers. I ain't got to about niggas who feel my voice, I'm changing the flow. I ain't go wrong with game, my body.
Sasi, muli na wat told me asi. Wat jy dink sy gaan vir jou 'n dop maak. Julle by die deure na buite gesaan, nie dit Adam. Okay. Well, there's an announcement. Nina RSS. Take
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Zone Gang. Yeah, today I'm here with the number 1 winner of the Dixie Turmoil, right? So, my nigga, I want you to tell me, how do you feel? All that shit, my nigga, all that shit, my nigga.
Yo, bro. English, Afrikaans. Yo, ik is net excited, bro. Nou, ik heb hier dank, ik zou nog winnen. Ik heb hier dank aan winnen, sinds hij. Ik is net happy, ik heb geweest. Nou, je kan, man, sinds hij. Hij is een beest, en toen kom hij maar nou uit vandaan, sinds hij. Ik is excited, man.
Ja. Mijn broer, je moet voor me verstaan. Ik kan Afrikaans recht praten. Nu gaan we jou in English vragen. No, when can they get you on socials?
Where can they get you? Okay, they can get me on Facebook as Jaya Beres. I have a page. And also contact me on WhatsApp. I send my songs. If you don't have that, I can send my stuff to you.
Otherwise, man, you really deserved it. So you don't want to give your message, your followers a message, anything?
Ja, dank voor allemaal wat mij supportet, man. En wat voor mij geloofd heeft en wat uitgekomen is. Ja, nee, dank je, man. Ik heb iets anders om te zien, bro.
Otherwise, away makers. Salute, ja. Thank you. So, yeah, man, Zone Gang. this is the end of the road. Yeah, ibiyiyo leyo iDixie eyigama nikalba mina ngoku ba it's a turmoil okanye turn up lonto yiyo. But number one nimbonile ufumana 1,000 rand in cash ebeniqala ibona into enjalo. Uwine ngoku ufumana imali yakho ngoku. Hey, yo, what exactly kuthiwa uhamba kubona. But yeah man, thanks for tuning in. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the bell button so that qho xa upload this episode ufumana notification man. Otherwise kwabantu supportayo basibukelayo nantsika zami ndiyabulela man. Otherwise ngenye imini sifina sikhuphe enye izone gag man. Hey, namazi. Otherwise we out. Tako.